Hi, let's learn how to play Gravity Maze. Gravity Maze comes with this tray, and this tray is going to be used to set up our cubes. The cubes don't come apart. They are one stack. When they're together, they are stuck together. We take a stack of cards and we go one at a time. So this is the first card of the Gravity Maze set. You'll see that it's already set up the way that it wants us to set up the board. I see a yellow and a red. The red is always going to be where we're trying to get our marble. So I can tell that they want this red in this square right here. Now, the black dots on this cube do matter because we need to make our cube match the square that's on our card. Do you see how there are dots that can kind of tell us where exactly the cube is facing? I need to find the one that has 2 dots on the sides and 1 dot on the bottom. So I can tell this is not the right side because this has 2 dots all the way around all 3. But I can see that this does match. 2 dots on the side and 1 dot on the bottom. That does match. So I'm going to make sure that it matches exactly like the picture. You see how the 1 dot is on the edge? I'm going to make sure that mine matches exactly like the picture and snap that, into place. So now I see that the yellow up there, we need to make sure that the yellow has the 2 dots all the way around it. So I can tell that this is the wrong side. I would need to make sure that this is facing up exactly like the picture. So I see that the 2 dots is also at the edge, so I will snap that into place. Now the challenge is to add these 2 pieces, so that would be the gray and the purple. How can I fit these 2 pieces from this to this so that when I drop the marble into here, my start, it will end up in the red? So I see that there's a slant here. I've got to figure out exactly where the gray or the purple would go. If I drop the marble and it ends up through all of the pieces and it lands in the red, then I know that I've completed the challenge. So now, once I've got all of my pieces in place, I'm going to put it in the spot that it tells me to, that first spot, and I'm hoping to get at that red landing spot. So it was just a straight shot. I know that I've completed it, and I can double check the ending, what the key is, but I have already figured it out because I started here and ended here. This is really fun. And whenever you get more and more cubes, they don't necessarily go in order. You've got to figure out how you can place each of these pieces to get your ball from the start to the finish. The back of the cards do come with a solution, but don't look at the solution until you have figured it out yourself. The solution is really just to be used at the very end once you have figured it out. It really doesn't count as a win if you have to look at the back and the solution to figure out the puzzle. Good luck!